guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to another vlog here on my channel. So for today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a day in my life. Today is Wednesday. Wednesdays have kind of been, like the past few months, my day to just do like YouTube stuff. I want to just focus, of course, on my YouTube stuff, but take you guys along with me and show you kind of what I do and what I go about my day and what it's like to be a growing YouTuber. Emphasis on growing. But before we get started, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. It would mean a lot to me, and follow me on Instagram as well to stay updated. So getting started with my day, I just got off work. I work at a coffee stand called The Human Being, and I also work in a corporate office doing social media for a hospitality company. So I'm a busy girl. YouTube is like my third job, if you want to call it a job. But yeah, so I just got home and, you know, starting this vlog, and I have some emails to catch up with, like YouTube related emails, and I have to edit my video that I'm going to upload and post today. So I've got quite a bit going on. I also need to film another video besides this video, you know, multitasking. That's what we do here. Yeah, so let's just like dive right in and answer some emails. Super riveting stuff right now. So I'll kind of show you guys what I'm doing right now because it's not like super secret or anything. So right now I'm actually picking out some just pics for Princess Polly content, and yeah, kind of exciting. So you guys will be able to see on my Instagram what exactly I pick out, because I'll do a little unboxing and then I'll make like some content for them. So yeah, that's like what I'm working on right this moment. So, slight change of plans. I'm going to Steven's office to meet up with him to go to lunch, because like I said, today's like my YouTube day, so I'm more flexible, and usually on Wednesdays I'll like have lunch with him. So I'm on my way to do that. I brought my laptop and stuff, so hopefully I can like edit and finish up emails. I pretty much got through emails though at home. But yeah, so I'm gonna do some YouTube stuff in the YouTube environment of the Daily Dropout office, maybe, if I feel like it. I might just feel like going home right after this. I don't know. I change my mind like the weather, you know? Camera almost fell. I have the worst vlogging setup in my car. Yeah, it's a struggle. But yeah, so I'm going to go do that right now, and I'm really excited because I'm really hungry. Okay, bye. Hi, thank you for lunch. I am back home. I've been home for a minute, but I have just been editing, just sitting in bed editing this whole time. I'll show you guys. Yeah, I just edited. This is my Nasty Gal haul. It will have already been up by now, by the time you're watching this. So go watch my Nasty Gal haul if you want to see what I spent all my money on. But yeah, basically I've just been doing that for the past like hour, and I'm just like really tired from staring at a computer screen all day, and I kind of want coffee, but I like should not do that. I shouldn't do it. Yeah, I don't really know what to do right now. Might have like an afternoon snack. It's about 2 o'clock. I ate around noon, and I'm kind of getting hungry again, and I kind of want to watch Parks and Rec. This is my day today. But the responsible thing that I should do right now is film another video. I really need to film a video. I just like don't have the like headspace to film this video specifically. Like I can sit here and like vlog right now and like talk to you guys, but I just like I don't know if I can like literally sit down and make this video right now, because it's just like it's a story time, it's a deep one, and I just like don't know if I have like the mental capacity to do it right now. Yeah, so we'll see if I get around to doing that, and I want to go to the gym later today. So yeah, we'll see if I get around to doing any of this, because I'm hitting a wall right now. I'm just hitting like a lazy mood wall. It's just like smacking me in the face. Yeah, perfect. Great timing, right? Love that. So, update. Still here. You know, just chilling. I put some lipstick on, so that's new. But I still have like not gotten the like urge to really film the story time. I'm just like not there. I need to film it like maybe like Friday morning or something when I'm like ready and like good to go, because like by the end of the day I'm just like, and I just want to like crash and everything, you know what I mean? But I think I might, and I can't believe this is coming out of my mouth right now, but I think I might make a TikTok video. You know, TikTok is really like blowing up, and I think I might start uploading like TikTok videos, but you know, like cute fashion-y ones and stuff like that. So yeah, follow me on TikTok. I don't even know what my TikTok is. My TikTok is sydneyjbeauty. So yeah, follow me on TikTok. I have nothing on there right now, but I will soon. Yeah, but I am actually making my Nasty Gal haul video live right now. So like it'll like already have been out when you watch this. It'll already be there. So go watch it, I guess, if you haven't already. Hey guys, I just posted a new video on my YouTube channel. It is a haul featuring Nasty Gal. It's not sponsored. I spent so much money. Yeah, go and watch it. The link is in my bio. I just noticed that I had lipstick on my teeth in that video, so take two. This is my life. Hey guys, I just posted a brand new video. It is a Nasty Gal haul, and no, it is not sponsored, and I spent way too much money. Yeah, so go watch it. The link is in my bio.